Hi everyone, this is a 3-minute tutorial on how to use talking points for schools. In today's video, we'll be covering how to view and add students in your talking points account. When you first log into the program, you'll be taken to the Messages dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you will see an option that reads Students. This is where all the information about students in your school is housed. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked, you'll automatically be directed to the All Students page that lists each student by first name. Next to each name, Talking Points will display students' information. The Contacts column indicates how many different contacts are on file for a given student. The Status column indicates whether parent is communicating using SMS text message, the Talking Points for Parents mobile app, or if they've unsubscribed. That information can also be found at the top of the screen with different tabs that read SMS, Parent App, Unsubscribed, and Invalid Number, which will each list all of the students in that category. In either of these screens, or in the All Students screen, you can filter which students you're viewing using the All Classes drop-down menu. If you wish to only see the students from first grade, for example, you'll click on that menu and automatically be limited to seeing the students in that class. That about covers how to view your students. Now we'll cover how to add new students. Let's say a new student has come to your school in the middle of the year and you need to add them into your system. From your Students page, you will see the white Create New Student button in the top right corner. When you click it, a smaller window will open requesting information about the student and their parents. You'll first have to enter a student's first name, which is mandatory. However, it is important to note that while you need to enter a student's name, including a contact's name is optional, since we understand that that information is sometimes not available. You'll also have to select the contact's relationship to the student. Since we understand that that information is sometimes also not available, you can select Relative or Other. Next, you'll select the contact's language from the drop-down list of languages that we support. While we make it a point to frequently add new languages, it is possible that a family speaks a language that isn't yet in our program. If that's the case, enter English for now. Last, and most importantly, you'll need to enter contact phone number. Making sure this phone number is right is super important, as this is where Talking Points will contact families on your behalf. Once you're done entering the information, click the blue Save button, and the student will be added into your system. And there you have it. That's how to view and add students. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for further Talking Points for Schools help topics.